Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into the video, I'm going to share you a happiest moment which I got yesterday. Okay, many people have been joined with me in private class and got their results. Okay, let me show you on live. Okay, Andrews. This guy has recently joined the private class and he have started his first earnings. I am really happy to share you about this. Okay, and two more guys also have been started. Yes, this guy, he also got a huge amount. Actually, he have a already an experienced guy. I have been little bit tuned him. He's achieving more. Okay, per day he is earning more than $200. Okay, per day. Okay, with his consistency work. And another guy also got his result, I think so. Yeah, this is his first income. This is his first income in CPA marketing. He got his first earnings by this CPA marketing. Okay, I'm really happy to share you guys because many people have been trusted me and joined with me in this class, and many have started their earnings. So I'm really happy to share you this moment. Okay, let's back to the session. Okay, and we are in the 1 week challenge to $1,000. Today's day 5. Okay, due to some lack of time, I'm going to rush up and I'm going to upload every videos today itself because due to my PC issues, I'm going to upload every videos today itself. Okay, last video I have seen how to get a niche, how to pick a niche. Okay, today after you have selected your niche, you have to get your selected audience. Okay, because which means you have to pick your own audience. For an example, if your niche is pet, okay, in this pet niche you have to create the landing page regarding the pets. Okay, after creating a perfect landing page, you have to get the traffic. Okay, this is how it makes. For an example, I'm going to share you the first free method to get the traffic. Okay, first is Facebook. Facebook is top trending platform and a really active social media. Okay, most of the people have a Facebook account. Okay, 98% of traffic or comes from the Facebook. Okay, for an example, just go to Facebook and search some groups called as for example, your niche is pets, means search as pets. Okay, okay, groups. See, many groups are available regarding the pet niche. Okay, you have to join in every groups. Okay, just join as much as you can. Join in this Facebook groups. Okay, then after joined in the pets group, just click on it and you have to create a content. Okay, for an example, I'm sorry, little bit internet issue. Okay, okay, for an example, you have created a content, right? This is a short content. Okay, you should create a brief content. After typing this, just place your CPA link. Okay, for an example, this is your CPA link, means just paste it. Okay, then click on post. This is how you should do. This is the simplest way. Okay, you should create a content regarding to the pet niche, then you have to come to Facebook and search for pets, join in every groups which are interested in pets, and just upload your CPA links, which mean your landing page links. Okay, this is your first traffic method. Okay, then second one is Quora. Quora is upcoming social media which everyone are using nowadays. Okay, just sign up to Quora and search for pets. This is a community app. Okay, search for pets. See, many groups are available. Just follow the groups and click on answer. Then many people will ask some doubts regarding pets, okay, but you don't need to answer them, okay. Just show them that you know the answer about their questions, and click on the answer button, click some type some content, and just place your CPA links, then click on answer, okay. You should type your answer here, and you should give the links and click on post. This is the simplest way in Quora. See, many topics are available regarding pets. Dogs, 1 million traffic, 845 traffic. See how many traffics are available in Quora. You can take as much as traffic as you can, okay. Just you have to work. This is the only need. Then the third website is Reddit, my favorite website, okay. In this website, in this Quora, sorry, Reddit also, you can search for pets. Many communities will be available, okay. You can see the communities here. You can join in every community, then you can click on the community, then you can create a post, okay. Just type some contents. See, this is how my pet behaves, this is how my pet eats, okay. Type as much as content you love, then click paste your CPA link, then click on post, okay. So you got the selected niche landing page, and you got the selected niche audience also. So easily every person's, most of the peoples will sign up to your CPA leads, and they will submit their personal information, okay. This is how a simple works will happen in CPA marketing, okay. Then if you have some doubts, please contact me on Instagram, okay. I'm here to help you 100%, anytime at any cost. You can contact me. If you would like to join with me in private class also, you can join in my private class, okay. Why the private class means I'm going to teach you the free methods and paid methods too, okay. Paid methods is for fast moving and fast getting results, okay. Everything from A to Z I'm going to teach you, okay. From the scratch I'm going to teach you, okay. See you on the another video, okay. Take care, bye bye.